Want to permanently delete your Instagram account in 2026? This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, from accessing Account Center to submitting your deletion request and understanding Instagram's 30-day account removal period. To begin, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Account Center, which is typically located near the top of the settings menu. Scroll down until you find Manage Accounts and tap it. Locate the Instagram account you want to remove and select Manage next to that account. Then choose deactivation or deletion. Instagram will present two options: temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete it. Select delete account and tap continue. Instagram will ask you to choose a reason for leaving. Select the option that best matches your situation and tap continue. You may then be prompted to enter your password to verify your identity. After confirming your password, follow the remaining on-screen instructions and tap delete account to finalize the request. Keep in mind that your account is not erased immediately. Instagram schedules it for deletion and gives you approximately 30 days to reconsider. During this period, avoid logging back into the account if you want the deletion to proceed. Signing in may cancel the deletion request and reactivate the account. Before deleting your account, consider downloading a copy of your data, including photos, videos, and messages, if you wish to keep them. Once the deletion period ends, your account and associated content will be permanently removed from Instagram.